Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your Dometic Thermostat for your Airstream travel trailer. Your Dometic Thermostat is going to look something like this. To turn it on, simply hit the power button in the top left corner once. That's going to turn the screen on. Hit it a second time to turn the system on. Now that the system is on, you're ready to choose which mode you would like to utilize. Your modes include cool, auto, and heat pump. For each of those three modes, you must be plugged into shore power. You also have furnace and fan. To utilize your furnace setting, you must make sure your propane tanks are open. To choose which temperature you'd like to set, simply hit the arrows on the right side of the control panel until you've reached your desired temperature. The next step is to choose your fan setting. Your fan settings include auto, low, medium, and high. Finally, if you would like to see the temperature inside your trailer, simply hit the button labeled Inside Temp, hold it down, and you can see your interior temperature. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.